If you're tired of jobs that expect you to be on calls all day, jump into meetings with no notice, and talk non-stop just to earn a paycheck, this video is for you. Because a lot of remote jobs still feel loud. They just moved the noise from the office into your home. So I went looking for something different. I found 5 AI-powered remote roles that pay steady money, don't require phone calls, don't require meetings, and let you work quietly, focused on your screen, without constant interruptions. And I'm not talking about vague job ideas. I'm talking about roles you can actually search for and apply to. Stay with me, because I'm not just listing job titles. I'll show you real companies, real pay ranges, and how people actually get into these roles. So you're not guessing, and you're not wasting time applying blindly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 quiet AI jobs you can do from home. Even if you don't come from tech, even if you're changing careers, and even if you're starting with minimal experience. And I'll explain what each job feels like day to day, what you're actually doing on the screen, and what you can do this week to become hireable for it. Each job on this list typically pays somewhere between $15 and $35 per hour, depending on the role, your experience level, and your country. Some start closer to entry-level pay, but the upside is this. These roles reward accuracy and consistency, meaning if you're reliable, you don't need to be loud. Let me be very clear up front. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. No one trick, no shortcuts. These are realistic, quiet ways to build side income. And for some people, they slowly replace loud, stressful jobs with something calmer and more predictable. We'll start with the most beginner-friendly option, the one that requires the least experience. And then we'll move step by step toward the role, beat, with the highest steady pay. And one of the jobs near the end is the one that tends to pay the most consistently, but it's also the most strict. So stay with me until that one. Job number 1, AI Content Classifier. AI content classification is one of the most common entry points into AI-related work. Your role is to help train AI systems by tagging content, rating responses, and deciding whether text is accurate, safe, or appropriate. Think of it like this. You're helping an AI understand what good and not good looks like. There's no degree required. There's no phone work. There are no meetings. Everything is keyboard-based. You read a piece of content, compare it against written guidelines, select the correct option, and move on to the next task. A big reason people like this job is because it's simple to start, and the rules are clear. Most projects pay the equivalent of around $10 to $20 per hour. Availability changes by project, and openings rotate based on demand and language needs. Some projects accept workers from multiple regions, while others are limited to specific locations at different times. And here's an important detail. You're paid for task time, not for being on call, and not for being available on the phone. To start, you create a free account, fill in your language skills, select your country, and complete a basic profile. After that, you check the project list a few times each week. This isn't about rushing, it's about checking consistently, because projects appear, fill up, and disappear. A simple strategy. Set a reminder to check 3 times a week, even if it's just 5 minutes. Look for labels like AI tasks, data labeling, or content evaluation. Search terms that work well include AI data labeling and content tagging. If you see words like guidelines, quality, rating, or evaluation, you're usually in the right place. Most roles accept beginners after a short guideline quiz. This is one of the quietest ways to start. No voice, no camera, no interaction. The trade-off is stability. It's usually not 40 hours a week. Think of it as reliable side income you can stack with other things. Job number 2, AI Prompt Writing Assistant. As a prompt writing assistant, your job is to write clear instructions that guide how AI responds. For example, write an apology email for a delayed order in a friendly, professional tone. That single instruction is a prompt. You're not coding. You're not engineering software. You're teaching AI how to communicate better. You're helping it learn tone, clarity, and structure. Most projects pay around $15 to $30 per hour equivalent, and the work is completely quiet. After creating an account, you'll complete short writing tests. These tests unlock higher paying projects, so attention to detail matters. A simple tip: treat the test like a real client. Write clean. Use structure. Don't over-explain. Search terms include prompt writing, AI prompt engineer entry, or AI training assistant. The better you perform on tests, the more consistent the work becomes. This is ideal if you enjoy writing, following instructions, and doing focused work. The trade-off is that it's project-based. Some weeks will be busy, and some weeks will be quiet. But once your rating is strong, your task options usually improve. Job number 3. ChatGPT Editing and Rewrite Assistant. In this role, clients send you rough drafts, emails, product descriptions, blog posts, or internal documents. Your job is to use AI tools to rewrite and polish them so they sound clear, natural, and professional. This is not writing from scratch. It's editing and improving. You're fixing grammar, improving tone, and organizing structure. If you position yourself correctly, rates often land between $20 and $35 per hour. And here's what positioning correctly means. You don't sell, "I use ChatGPT." You sell outcomes, like, "I help your writing sound clear, human, and professional, fast." To stand out, create 2 or 3 simple before and after samples. Make them obvious. Left side, messy paragraph. Right side, clean rewrite with better structure. Then search AI Rewrite, AI Content Fix, or ChatGPT Editor. And send 5 to 10 focused proposals each week. This role is ideal if you've done admin work, customer service, or writing before. Income depends on clients, but with 2 or 3 repeat clients, your pay steadies and rates go up. Quick question: want the most steady pay on this list? That's the next job, but it's stricter. Job number 4, AI Quality Rater. This is the job I teased earlier. As an AI quality rater, you review AI-generated answers and score them for accuracy, clarity, and usefulness. You're not creating content, you're judging quality. These roles are fully online, with no calls and almost no meetings. Pay commonly ranges from $21 to $27 per hour. Openings rotate based on demand, language needs, and project availability over time. This is why it's competitive. It's quiet, and it pays consistently. To get hired, you complete a reading and guidelines test. They want to see if you can follow instructions carefully and spot small mistakes. Search for AI Rater, AI Evaluator, or Search Engine Evaluator. And please hear this. Read the guidelines slowly, because the test is based on the guidelines, not your opinions. This is the highest steady pay on today's list, and one of the quietest. But it requires strong focus. You'll read a lot. You'll follow strict rules. The trade-off is mental fatigue. If you hate reading carefully, you'll struggle. Green flag if you like structure, working alone, and predictable pay. Job number 5, AI Chat Assist, Customer Support. In this role, you handle customer questions through chat. AI templates often suggest replies, and you adjust them before sending. You're helping real people, but entirely through text. So yes, it's customer support, but without the phone. pay usually ranges from $14 to $30 per hour. Search titles like chat support, AI-assisted support, or help desk chat only. Most roles include a typing test and a basic grammar assessment. A simple edge here: if you can type clearly, stay polite, and follow scripts, you're already competitive. This is the most human-facing job on the list, but still quiet. No phone calls, no voice work. The upside is stability. Many roles offer fixed shifts, long-term contracts. The trade-off is chat volume. Quiet, but not always calm. Next, I'll recap which option fits you best: flexibility, stable pay, or fast entry. So which of these 5 quiet AI jobs fits you best right now? If you want the easiest entry point, AI content classification. If you like writing and calm focus work, prompt writing or AI editing. If you want the highest steady pay and strict structure, AI quality rater. And if you want the most job-like stability, chat-only support. If you want a step-by-step deep dive on any one of these jobs, tell me which one in the comments. And if you're serious about landing a remote job that fits your experience level, watch this video next. 7 entry-level remote jobs that are great for beginners, where I break down realistic roles and what they actually involve day to day.